Was drug decriminalization in BC a success? If you ask people who actually use drugs, the answer is yes. So why is the BC government canceling the same program? The answer is political. 3 years ago, the BC government launched a pilot project to decriminalize the personal possession of drugs. The goal of decriminalizing drugs is to put fewer people in contact with the police and the court system. This means fewer people who lose their jobs and housing due to arrests, fewer people who suffer from withdrawals in jail, and fewer people who face assaults and trauma from dealing with cops. And that's what decriminalization did. A major study found that in the first year, the pilot project led to a 57% drop in police-reported drug possession-related incidents. Police seized fewer drugs from people and laid fewer charges against them. But in the first year, there wasn't a significant drop in trafficking, deaths, or hospitalizations. This study further noted that decriminalization cannot work in isolation. It's just not an effective policy at reducing drug overdose harms on its own. It has to work in tandem with other policies, which the BC government did not implement. Any plan must include investments in housing, safer supply, and improved access to treatment. Portugal, for example, has used decriminalization in tandem with other health interventions, and this has dramatically reduced HIV infections and opioid deaths. Choosing to look at decriminalization in isolation, deeming the project a failure, and rolling it back isn't progress. It gets us away from the good policies that we need to stop the toxic drug crisis. For those who only support a punitive approach to drug use, fewer drug users being hassled by cops is an abdication of government responsibility. But for those who actually want to end the opioid crisis, it's progress. Many experts agree that criminalizing people who use drugs is harmful and pointless. People losing their jobs, housing, and sense of safety by being arrested, fined, or carrying a criminal record will only make their lives more unstable. And this may make them more likely to use drugs in a way that kills them down the line. You can read the full article at breachmedia.ca.